everyone. Today I am going to make a matcha bowl using the Nerikomi technique. I will use this white porcelain clay and this rough sandy stoneware clay. And this is the glaze. After combining these roughly like this, let's start throwing on the wheel. Unlike ordinary cups, Japanese matcha bowls have a number of forming manners. There are three main elements: is kodai, chadamari, and the weight of the bowl when held in your hand. Also, there are unique philosophies such as mitate, which means to regard, like regard green tea as the ocean, the rim of the matcha bowl as a mountain, and so on. Mitate is deeply related to the culture of tea ceremony in Japan. Kodai means the foot or backside of a tea bowl. There is a culture in Japan to admire matcha bowls as art pieces, and the kodai is considered to be the most aesthetic part of a matcha bowl. So make sure you have enough amount of clay on the bottom for trimming later. In this time, I have kept approx 0.5 inches tall, but this is still a little less, so 0.7 inches would be better. Next, chadamari is a hollow inside the bowl that is unique to matcha bowls. When matcha powder is dropped here and hot water is poured over it, chadamari has the effect of creating a convection current and also helps to keep the left tea in the place after drinking. The rim should be smooth to ensure smooth lip contact. Now the process of throwing is completed. Allow to dry for trimming, but do not let them dry too much. For matcha bowls, trim while softer than usual. Now let's trim kodai. You can trim it on the wheel, but since I want to make the backside to look like a stone, so I will roughly trim it by my hand. By trimming with as little movement as possible, you can make it look more natural. In mitate, the potter's concern would have been to imitate nature. it is important not to tamper with it too much in order to get close to the natural impression. The important aspects of the functionality of a matcha bowl are its weight and the ability to be held in one hand. By trimming the backside as thin as possible, then the weight balance will be stabilized when held in your hands. There must be finger space at the bottom, so you can lift it with one hand. Before signing your potter's signature, decide on the face of the matcha bowl. Make the side you find most beautiful the face of that bowl. Facing yourself, turn it over and write your signature on the back side. The signature should be outside the kodai, on the left side to better show the center of the kodai. Forming is completed. After dry, it is glazed and fired. Please look forward to its completion. Thank you for watching.